All right, let me show you how to take a TikTok product image or an Amazon product image and do this. So here's the TikTok image. Here's the Amazon product image. Let me show you how to do this. Watch, very cool. Let me show you step by step. Let's get into it. Okay, so to create this video, you're going to need a product image. Now I'm going to get it from the trending products spreadsheet that I have. You can sign up for this spreadsheet below, but let's take a look here. So I'm going to go to the TikTok page for this product, and you're going to see it looks just like this. And I'm going to want this image here. So we're going to make a video out of this product image. You can also find this product on Amazon, which it is right here. So I already did the research, and they have several different images that you could use depending on what you want to do. However, let's keep moving. So I'm going to save this image, and I'm going to right click it and just save that image. And I've actually already done this, but we're going to take this and upload it into software, and we'll create a video out of it. So I'll just leave the name just as it is, and that's a JPEG. Now, if you wanted to do it with Amazon products, you would just choose your product. So let's just do this one. Let's go here. And now I'm on desktop. Keep that in mind. You're going to need to do this on desktop. And I'm going to right click it, and I can save image as. And it'll pop up. And that's also a JPG, so that's a JPEG. So we'll go ahead and save that there. So now we have the image from TikTok, and we also have an image from Amazon. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to Scenecraft. Now there's a link to this below this video or in the post. So go ahead and click that. Go here, and we're going to upload our product image. So I've navigated to where my images are. Let's take this one, I guess. Doesn't really matter. We're going to open that up. And now we're going to add that product to Scenecraft. And here we go. Now with the free plan, you're able to make 3 videos per month. If you upgrade, it's very affordable. So if you can, if you decide that this service is beneficial to you, obviously you can upgrade. And then you'll be able to make more B-roll videos or product videos, which is going to be very valuable to you. And you're going to notice that it removed the background. So that's great. So it's removed the background. Now we're going to add a new background to it so we can create the camera effect. Now, aspect ratio, you're going to want to be careful with that. Decide on what you need. I'm going to do the vertical. So we'll do an Instagram story, or you can do 9:16. It's the same resolution as you can see, but we'll just click 9:16. That'll be the vertical. And I think we can actually stretch this out. So I just played around with this, and I'm trying to get this more centered, and I made it a little bit bigger. And now what we want to do is we want to add a backdrop to this. So that's how we're going to get that contrast, and we'll be able to, basically it's called parallaxing, but this is a software that'll let us do it easy. We're going to need to pick a background. Now you could upload an image, or you can use some of their basics. You could also generate something with AI. If you want to upload something specific, they do have an AI feature here as well. So you can see here where my cursor is, and you can choose by theme. So this is a vitamin. So we're going to need to, nature sounds pretty good. That would be kind of nice to give you that feeling of healthy. So I'll go ahead and just pick one. And if you find a row that has an image in it that you like, if you can actually rotate to the left or right, and you can find additional things. So let's go ahead and do this one. And so that gives it the appearance of healthiness. So I'm not sure what those are. It looks like artichokes or something of that nature. But anyways, there we go. We have that placed now. Now, if you didn't want to choose one of their standard images, you can describe it here, and they'll use AI to generate it for you. So that is an option. And then, of course, you can do a match. So if you click on match right here, you can upload an image. So those are your 3 options. For this tutorial, we'll just choose. So we've already chosen. So these look like artichokes or barley or something. So now that we've uploaded the product image, we do have a background. We're going to click generate, and they're going to use their version of AI, and we're going to get a few different variations. And you can see here below in kind of their taskbar the progress of each image, and it's going to generate 3. So now that they created different scenes, we're going to now need to actually convert those into a video. So you can see that the background here has been blurred out. Let me just scroll up for you. And you can see each scene is slightly different, and they've added blur to put more focus on the actual product. So you can select which one you prefer. So I'm going to go with the first one right here, and we're going to go ahead and create the video. So when you click create video, you can see here, they're going to give you 4 different styles, and then it's going to give you an email once it's done processing. So it's going to send this to me, and I'm going to show you what those videos look like now. And it's being generated, and it can take up to 30 minutes depending on how many other people are using the system. So we'll check our email in just a second. All right, so they will email you the videos, and that's what it looks like. So here we go. You've got all of your download links. Now there's 4 different styles. So I'll go ahead and download these and show them to you. Okay, so now that I have them downloaded, you can see that I have them in my folder. And this is the circle. So if I open this up, take a look, and this is how it produced. Look at that. So that would be great. You can add that to CapCut or whatever your editing software you're using. Let's take a look at this. And this is called the dolly zoom. Open that up for you. So you can see the background is zooming away. So I'll go ahead and replay that for you. So not as, if you like that, pretty cool. Let's take a look at another one. This one is the swing. I think this is the one that I like the most. See how you get a lot of movement out of that? So it's a swing. So it goes one direction, then it swings back around. I'll go ahead and play that one more time for you. Of course, you can add that to CapCut or whatever video editing software, and this can be a great B-roll situation. And then here's the zoom in. So let's take a look at that. So it's slowly zooming in on the product, and the background is detached. So pretty cool, right? So just think of this as another tool in your arsenal to produce higher quality content. It's called Scenecraft. There's a link below this video or in the post or pinned in comments or somewhere. Anyways, click the link, join up, and test it out for yourself.